What's inside an animal cell? Let's explore. The animal cell. Animal cells are the fundamental units of life in protozoa and multicellular animals. Each cell is a wonder in its own right. Plus, they work together as building blocks for tissues, organs, and organ systems. Animal cells are eukaryotic cells, meaning they possess a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. Animal cells contain many organelles, which are subunits within the cell that perform specialized functions. The organelles may be membrane-bound, enclosed within a lipid bilayer, or non-membrane bound, free in the cytoplasm. Here is a list of animal cell components and organelles and their functions. Let's start at the gatekeeper that keeps it all together, the cell membrane. The cell membrane is a flexible, semi-permeable barrier that protects the cell and controls what comes in and goes out. It ensures the entry of essential nutrients while keeping toxins out, much like an alert security system. Function regulates transport through selective permeability. Inside, we find the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a gel-like substance that fills the cell, providing a medium for all the biochemical reactions. Think of it as the bustling city where all the cell's activities take place. Function hosts metabolic reactions and supports organelles, nucleus, and nucleolus. In the control center of the cell, the nucleus houses our genetic blueprint, DNA. Encased in a double membrane, the nucleus directs all cell activities, from growth to protein synthesis. Within it lies the nucleolus, a specialized region responsible for making ribosomes, the cell's protein factories. Next up is the powerhouse, the mitochondria. These organelles convert nutrients into energy through a process called cellular respiration. Every time you blink or move a muscle, your mitochondria are busy producing ATP, the energy currency of the cell. This means that cells that are more active compared to others, like muscle, have more mitochondria to produce extra energy. Function generates ATP via cellular respiration by using oxygen to break down food for energy. Endoplasmic reticulum ER. This is a network of membranes that transports materials throughout the cell. There are two types of ER, the rough ER, RER, and the smooth ER, SER. The rough ER, RER, covered in ribosomes, and that is why it is called rough. It assists ribosomes in the production and transportation of proteins. It acts as a transportation system, moving materials where they are needed. The smooth ER, SER, has no ribosomes on its surface. That is why it is called smooth. Produces lipids and helps detoxify chemicals in the cell. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are the cell's protein builders, found both free in the cytoplasm and attached to the rough ER. These tiny structures read the mRNA messages and link amino acids to create proteins, essential for every process in the cell. Function, site of protein synthesis. After proteins are made, the Golgi apparatus steps in this organelle is like a post office. It modifies, sorts, and packages proteins and lipids into vesicles, which are then sent to their destinations inside or outside the cell. Function, processes and packages proteins and lipids. Cleanup is the key in any well-run cell, and lysosomes are in charge here. Filled with digestive enzymes, these organelles break down waste materials, old cell parts, and even invading microbes, ensuring the cell remains healthy and clutter-free. Function, digests and recycles cellular waste. That's just on cell. Imagine what else you can learn. Follow for more cool science.